If you've ever gotten a text and weren't sure if it was real, this is for you. Today, I'll show you 3 simple ways to spot a scam in about 10 seconds. Let's take it slow. You don't need to be good with technology for this. If you can read a text message, you can do this. Sign number 1. It creates a rush. Scam texts want you to panic. Act now. Your account will close. Real companies do not rush you like this. Sign number 2. A strange link. Look at the web address. If it's a jumble of letters, or it's not spelled the way it should be, don't tap it. Sign number 3. They ask for a password or a code or your bank details. No real bank will ever ask you for that in a text, ever. So what do? Simple. Don't tap anything. Don't reply. Just delete it. That's all. Let's remember the 3 signs. It rushes you. It has a strange link, or it asks for private information. Any one of those. And it's a scam. If you found this helpful, I have one more for you. What to do if you already tapped a bad link. I'll see you there.